Hey there, welcome back. My name is Katie and this is Louisiana Cooking and Living. If you're new to my channel, we welcome you also. And today we're doing a lot of canning projects. You can see my pressure canners making all kinds of noise over here. I have something else simmering here. And the next project we're going to get to, and if you haven't seen these videos, I will leave them linked in the description box and you can go back and check them out if you're interested. But today we're going to be canning some green chilies. I really wanted to grow chilies in my garden enough to can them, and let me grab what I was able to harvest today. I was able to harvest these 3 tiny poblano peppers. Poblano peppers, I have some store-bought ones that I'll just show you comparison. This is a store-bought poblano pepper, and this is what I grew. I'm not sure why all my peppers were so small this year. My jalapenos, my serranos, all of my peppers, hot and mild, were tiny this year. So we are going to roast some. I bought some poblanos, and then I also bought some Anaheim peppers. And so I thought I would do a combo kind of and roast all these up together, chop them together, and then can them. I sure hope you can hear me over this canner. It is making quite a big noise back there. Let's just get started. I'm going to show you how I'm going to get these roasting. All right, I'm super hopeful here. I have 2 sheet pans here. I've started taking the stems off and taking the seeds out, and we are going to put these under the broiler to roast them up so we can peel their skins. I got this, it's not really a recipe, but like my canning times and that kind of thing from my friend Alicia from Pantry. So I'll leave her video linked in the description box. So if you want to check her channel out or her video, you can do that. And all these scraps will go to my chickens. They will love this. Chickens, fun fact, cannot sense spice. And peppers are really good for them. So anytime I have scraps from peppers, I give those to my chickens. So I got pepper seeds everywhere. So I'm gonna get all these arranged on my pans, and we will get these in the oven under the broiler. So I'll let those go in the oven, and because there's 2 stacked on top of each other, I'll swap them around and make sure everything kind of gets roasty toasty in there under the broiler. So we'll be back. All right, I've let my peppers sit and steam so that it makes them easy to peel. So we'll just take them and just peel off this outer layer. So I'm going to get all these peeled up, and then we'll chop them up and get them in our jars. All right, so I got everything peeled up, so I'm just going to give this a quick chop, and then we'll just stuff our jars full. All right, I have these little 4-ounce jars. I think when you buy them in the store, they're in a little 4-ounce can. So that's what we're going to stuff them in. We are going to add water to these jars, and the water we want the water to cover the peppers, so I don't want to put too many peppers in here. We are packing them kind of tight. All right, I'm going to get some warm water to pack these. All right, we're going to debubble them and top them off. I think I might move some to this other jar. I think they're packed a little full. All right. All right, we're going to get our lids on. Well, I'm going to wipe the rims. Fingertip tight. These will pressure can for 35 minutes. All right, let's get these in the canner. All right, we'll let our canner start venting, and as soon as we get a steady stream of venting, we will vent it for 10 minutes. And after the 10 minutes up, we can put our weight or jiggler on. Let me show you what that looks like. We'll put our jiggler weight on, there you can see it, and then we'll bring it up to pressure. For my elevation, everybody has to check their own elevation. I have to bring this to 11 pounds of pressure. Once I get to 11 pounds of pressure, I can then set my timer for, let me say it again, 35 minutes. Once we get to that 35 minutes, we will turn our burner off and let everything depressurize on its own by itself and don't bother it. And then we can open it once the pressure is all released. So we'll be back. All right, y'all, we got 7 little 4-ounce jars of our green chilies here. So excited about these as they were cooking, roasting in the oven. When I was cutting them up, and then even when I was canning them, it smelled so good. I'm ready to make some queso with these green chilies. They smelled really good, and they smelled like you were in this best real Mexican restaurant. I'm excited about them. I hope y'all give this recipe a try. I will leave a link to Alicia's page, Plow and Pantry, in the description box if you want to go see her original video. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and share the video with others. We'll see you next time.